Hello guys, welcome back to another video here from ACY Studios, and today it's pretty interesting what I have to chat with everyone. First one is CPI, Europe CPI, and second one is ECB, right? Just before we even start here anything, I would like to invite everyone to join our webinar from 5 to 6 p.m. today. So if you haven't yet registered yourself, the link is on the description of this video. Now let's get into the content. Okay, so we've seen euro dollar moving down more than 200 pips. So that is 2,000 points for those who like to use the points measurement. For those who like to use pips, 200 pips. So we've seen euro dollar moving that lower. It's just because we've seen very strong US dollar on the other hand. All right, we've seen a lot of good data coming from USA, like the NFP, CPI, PPIs and PMIs as well. Pretty good set of data over there, but we haven't seen so good, so strong set of data coming from the Europe side. And this is what is occasionating as well with the geopolitical tensions that have come down a little bit. We saw oil prices dropping below $80 yesterday, after we saw Israel tension sort of calm down a little bit, and that bring us more added value to the US dollar. So I do believe on a continuation downtrend to the euro dollar. Now, what is gonna interfere in this downtrend and what is gonna prolong this downtrend is lower numbers on the CPI from Europe, as well as a dovish ECB. All right, dovish ECB being cutting another 25 basis point because they can and they want and they possibly will do another 25 basis points cut because they can, because they want, as I say, the CPI is coming lower. It's very close to 2% mark, and they will be expecting 2%, below 2% next year. So therefore, there is a chance we continue to see euro dollar trading lower, maybe this week or next week. Ahead of the USA elections on the 5th of November. We will have on the 7th of November the FOMC. So stay tuned, because there is going to be a lot of volatility on that period of time. Now, coming back for euro dollar and coming back for the ECB, let's have a look at the consensus and what are the numbers everyone is expecting here for the CPI from Europe. Right, so the release will be on Thursday, the 17th of October, and we can see that the CPI month over month for the month of September is expected to be negative 0.1%, so negative 0.1% from the previous of 0.1% from August. And then we have the CPI year over year for the month of September expected to have no changes at 1.8%. The core CPI year over year is expected to have no changes as well at 2.7%. And then we have ECB interest rates decision, the consensus at 3.4% from the previews that they are having right now, 3.65%. So this is really important as well with combined with the data from retail sales, the month over month from USA expected to increase from 0.1% to 0.3%. And then later on we have ECB press conference, and then we finish it up the week pretty much with these two set of data from USA and ECB. Now, we've seen a set of data coming very weak from Europe, so the continuation have, most likely the continuation will remain into the market for a bearish euro and a bullish US dollar. I hope you liked this content. I hope you could understand something out of this. If you yet not registered on the webinar, please do it so in the link on the description. Otherwise, I see you in the next video, or I see you tonight. See you guys. Bye bye.